Let me have some.
Nag-away na sila dahil sa sardinas.
Oh, that's too much.
Hey! Stop fighting! Ayan, nag-away na sila dahil sa sardinas. Hello everyone! Naanasad me ang inyong feeling vlogger nga gamay rag follower. So for this video is magluluto ako ng dinuguan. Pero kasi walang ano dito, walang binibentang fresh na dugo. Kaya ang gagamitin ko ay itong black pudding. Kung tawagin sa kanila ay black pudding. Ano to siya? Dugo ng baboy. So, papakain ko to sa mga anak ko later pag uwi nila galing school. So, let's see their reaction later. First time nilang kakain ng dinuguan. Ayan, ito yung gagamitin kong pang dinuguan. Ano to siya? Made from dugo ng baboy. Black pudding. Ano to siya dito? Pang breakfast. So, ayan, mag-start na tayong magluto. So, ganito yung itsura ng black pudding dito. Ayan. Ano siya, made from dugo ng baboy. Tsaka, in-slice ko ng maliliit para, talaga siya, yung parang dinuguan talaga. Ayan, natapos ko nang mahiwa lahat ng mga ingredients. Ayan, syempre may asin ako, tsaka toyo, suka, at may paminta. So, ayan yung gagamitin natin sa pagluluto. And then, let's start cooking now. Check natin yung dinuguan kung luto na. Ayan. Ready na ang dinuguang baboy. Ayan, ano buang? Ayan na yung dinuguang baboy. Ayan. Nilagyan ko to ng para mag siya, para malapot. Lagyan nyo ng cornstarch or kung wala kayong cornstarch, harina. Ang nilagay ko harina kasi naubos yung cornstarch ko. Kaya yan malapot. Ginamit ko yung recipe ng tatay ko. Masarap siya in fairness. At ito na yung sampay na. Ang tawag sa Bisaya ng dinuguan is sampay na. Yan. So, papakain ko to sa asawa ko at sa mga anak ko. So, tingnan natin yung reaction nila kung magustuhan ba ito nilang sampay na natin or dinuguan. So, ayan, nakakain na kami ng dinuguang baboy. Siyempre, may rice. Ayan yung dinuguang baboy. A pork. Okay. Ayan. Tsaka may sardinas din kami. Nag-request mga anak ko ng sardinas. Ayan.
Let me have some.
Nag-away na sila dahil sa sardinas.
Oh, that's too much.
Hey! Stop fighting! Ayan, nag-away na sila dahil sa sardinas. Nag-ilog sa
And also,
sardinas.
Cassie is greedy.
To say that.
Okay.
Ano lang yan siya, hindi ko niluto. Yung diretso lang, galing sa lata, diretso ko lang lagay sa bowl.
And it's lami kaayo.
Walang suka, walang toyo. Just plain sardinas. At yan, pinag-awayan pa talaga nila. Jackie! Do you like the dinuguan?
No.
Hindi ko sinabi sa yung dinuguan in English baka ayaw nilang kainin kapag nalaman nila yung kung ano yung dinuguan. Ang sabi ko lang sa kanila is pork. Made from pork, pero hindi ko sinabi in English yung dugo. Baka ayaw nilang kainin. Kaya yan.
Here, Cassie, your favorite.
Let's see if they like the dinuguan.
Do you want more? There's some safe.
Jackie, do you love sardines? How about the dinuguan? Try the dinuguan.
I love
Eat properly.
Again?
Dinuguan.
Dinuguan. Okay.
It's made from pork.
Okay, it looks yummy.
Yeah, looks yummy daw.
It's from a sea.
I thought it was chocolate pudding yesterday.
Chocolate sa mata.
I want this one. And then I put it all over because it's yummy.
Let's mix it up. Mix up.
And it went in my yummy sardines.
Okay, so So tell me what it tastes like, the dinuguan.
We need to eat this with rice.
Nilagyan ko pala din ng karne. Hinaluan ko ng karning
Let's
baboy.
mix it all together so it's
Para
nice.
Para makita nila na may karne-karne.
Why do I have 2 spoons?
You have 2 spoons. It's for the sardines and you put it on your plate.
Oh. There we go.
Sagal.
Sardina.
Oh, wow. Sardinas.
Can I put my sardinas on top?
Yeah, you can do it what you like.
Yeah. Now let's make a real meal.
Yeah.
It's a meal. It's not a meal order.
Yeah.
Meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Look at that. Looks delicious.
You keep mixing and mixing it. Eat. I told you to eat it and tell me what it tastes like. I wanna see your reaction. So, what it tastes like, the dinuguan? Nice.
Let me have a think.
You have to think first. Buong.
Because sometimes I have no words to say if it's nice or not.
Jackie, eat your rice as well. You only eat the sardines. Buing bata.
Very, 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 very yummy.
Very
I love
yummy.
it so much.
Pero pag nalaman na ano yan, dugo in English, baka magalit sa akin.
It tastes very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice than anything.
Ayun, nagustuhan nila yung dinuguan. Yung pagkaing Pilipino na dinuguan. Jackie, what can you say about the dinuguan?
It's good.
It's good. You never try it.
It's nice.
It's nice. And you eat the sardines. Eat this, the dinuguan. Then tell me if it's good.
Okay, what is called?
It's pepper, bell pepper.
Bell pepper. It's red and red. Red and red.
Yeah, red and red now. Yun na. I've just cleared the floor. You put it everywhere.
Jackie!
It's alright.
Okay.
Red.
Let's try both of it together.
Very nice.
Kasi you keep mixing up. You keep mixing and mixing it and you haven't eat it yet.
I want it to look perfect.
Pitam din mag-alas 3. Uy.
It took you 10 minutes to do that.
Oh.
Let's put add some more of that. So,
Late na pala yung lunch namin kasi ano na kami gumising. Mga 11:30 na kami gumising.
go missing.
Lahat kami. 11:30 na gumising.
Red.
Si Nice.
Red.
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I have this one.
So ayan, nagustuhan nila yung dinuguan.
If you try the both together, it's a very delicious combo.
Okay.
Very yummy.
So kakain na din ako kasi gutom na ako. Ayan yung plato ko. Dami kong nilagay na dinuguan. Na-miss ko kasi to. Si Pilya malapit nang matapos. Si Cassie din malapit nang matapos. Ito si Jackie. Tagal pa itong matapos. Yung sardinas lang yung kinakain niya. Kahit siguro araw-araw kakain ng sardinas. Ano? Hindi siya ano ba yung sa Tagalog umapulan. Hindi siya magsasawang kakain ng sardinas kahit pa araw-araw. Yummy, yummy. You only eat your sardines. You don't eat your rice and your... Did you eat some kumain siya ng kunting dinuguan.
I dip it.
You dip it.
I dip with sauce.
You dip it with the sauce. Yummy, yummy. Ang mga batang mahilig sa sardinas.
It was my
Sweet.
It was my very first time eating this yummy dinuguan, and it was so delicious. I love it.
So sweet.
It was so delicious. I love the
it's so sweet.
because it has black pudding inside.
Mommy.
And I also love the sardines. I love the taste when I use sardines
halata naman na
and then rice.
halata naman na gustuhan nila kasi yun inubos talaga lahat. Simot na simot yung
It's
plato.
Cassidy. It's Cassidy.
Ito naman yung bunso. Jackie, eat all your food to grow into a big girl. Busog na daw siya. Siya lang yung nakaubos ng ng sardinas.
Where's my phone?
Ayan, kumain siya ng konting dinuguan. Sabi niya, masarap naman daw, nagustuhan niya.
Jack only cares about the sweet.
Ayan, tapos na kami kumain. At yun, kita nyo naman, naubos yung dinuguan at saka sardinas, syempre. Paborito nila yan. At ayan, ang kanin din, malapit nang maubos. At ayan, yung rice, malapit nang maubos. At ayan, yung dinuguan, malapit nang maubos. At ayan, yung rice, malapit nang maubos. At ayan, yung dinuguan, malapit nang maubos. At ayan, yung rice, 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 malapit nang ma So, as usual, nagustuhan na naman nila ang pagkaing Pilipino natin. So, ayan. Ayan. Kumain na sila ng dinuguang baboy. Ayaw nila ng kanin. Ano lang gusto nila yung ano lang, yung dinuguan. Ayan yung kay Cassie. Tsaka ayan yung kay Jackie. Nice? Wala pala si Pila, tinupak. Ando sa kwarto niya. Maldita din yun pag tinupak. Kaya si Jackie at Cassie lang muna yung kakain. Mamaya na yung si Pilya. Oh, excuse me.
Nice cook. What is excuse me?
Ayaw daw nila ng kanin. Kung sa Bisaya pa, lanlanon na nila. Lanlanra. Nice.
I like the red pepper.
Okay, don't eat the red pepper.
It's a bit spicy.
The black pudding is my favorite.
What?
This food is nice.
Food is nice.
Yes.
I'd like a spring onion.
Okay, don't eat the spring onion.
I have this pepper.
There's a sweet pepper. It's not spicy.
A sweet pepper.
I like bell pepper.
It's a cute, yummy pepper.
Yummy pepper, yeah. Yummy dinuguan.
Pepper.
There's no more pepper, I said.
Oh, some more peppers.
Are you sleepy?
No, I want some more pepper.
There's no more pepper.
Yes, it's this. Here.
It's for Philia.
Huh? More peppers.
Eat it all tomorrow. We're going out, okay? Ang sarap ng kain ni Cassie.
Very yummy.
It's very yummy. Is that the Stevia's cook?
Yung ano, sarap na sarap sila sa yung ang tawag dito, yung black pudding. Lagi kong bumibili doon ng black pudding. Tapos, minsan piniprito ko na lang. Tapos yung mga anak ko, hindi pala lahat si Cassie at si Jackie. Gusto nila yung ano, yung dugo ng baboy. Parang mga vampira. Nice! You're nearly finished. Ayan, malapit ang maubos ni Cassie. Yung ano, ubos na pala. Yung luya, tsaka yung sibuyas, hindi niya kinain.
Chaka.
I'm finished. Everything else is a food that I don't know.
Oh, what's
Si
happening?
Jackie naman marami pa.
Only and ginger left. I'm finished.
Yeah, I know. So, what can you say about the dinuguan?
I'm gonna rate it 6 out of 10 because there's lots of onion and garlic, but I really like it. It's very yummy.
Yeah, onion, garlic, and ginger is for taste. To make it taste nice. Yummy, yummy. Jackie.
Syrup.
Again.
Syrup.
Sobrang sarap daw.
Yummy kaayo.
Yummy kayo. Yeah, it's yummy.
Ginger.
I don't like the onion and garlic.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's so shy. But they never
So that's it for today's video. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung vlog namin today. And sa mga nag-subscribe na maraming salamat sa inyo. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe our channel and please like and share our videos. So maraming salamat. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, get blackberry.